Most AI storyboard tools don't understand stories. They understand angles. They show you multiple ways to frame the same moment, but they don't understand how moments connect, escalate, or resolve. And that's why most great visual ideas never leave your head. Not because you lack talent, not because you lack taste, but because turning the movie you see in your mind into something others can see usually requires time, teams, and tools you don't have. Today, that changes. Because InVideo just launched Vision. I typed one sentence and I got an entire cinematic storyboard. One sentence, 9 shots, a complete story. This is InVideo Vision, production-ready storyboard. This is where your idea stops living in your head. For the first time, AI understands stories as sequences, not snapshots. Vision doesn't just generate images. It understands story flow, beginning, build-up, climax, resolution. And I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. One, open my browser. 2, go to AI InVideo.io. 3, click on InVideo Vision. Now you'll see 2 main options. Boards, extract shot. To create a storyboard, click on Boards. Now this is the most important part. I'm not writing a long script. I'm not breaking things into scenes. I'm typing one single sentence. A lone runner trains at dawn, overcomes self-doubt, and wins a race as the city wakes up. Now I click Generate, and watch this. In seconds, Vision creates a 3x3 storyboard grid. That's 9 cinematic shots, automatically ordered. This is not 9 random images. This is a complete visual narrative. Shot 1 sets the mood. Shots 2, 4 build tension. Shots 5, 7 escalate the story. Shots 8 to 9 resolve it emotionally. Everything feels intentional. Lighting stays consistent. The character looks the same in every shot. The visual style stays cinematic. This is storyboarding the way real films and ads are planned. Most AI tools storyboard moments. Vision storyboards stories. It doesn't ask, how can this scene look? It asks, how does this story unfold? That's why Vision is powerful for films, ads, brand storytelling, narrative concepts. You're not guessing anymore. You're planning. Here's something that really impressed me. Vision doesn't generate 9 separate images. It generates one coherent visual world. That means characters stay consistent, products stay recognizable, lighting and tone don't change randomly. Continuity isn't something you fix later. It's built into the first frame. Vision doesn't stop at planning. It starts production. And here's the best part. Vision is not a separate experiment. Once your storyboard or shot is ready, you stay inside InVideo. From here, you can use 60+ advanced AI models, animate shots, edit and enhance visuals, export final videos.
Every step was a battle, but the finish line was worth it.
No app hopping, no broken workflows. From idea to final output, everything happens in one place. Now I have to say this. This should not be free, but it is. You can use InVideo Vision for free to brainstorm, to plan, to build full storyboards without burning credits. That removes pressure from creativity and leads to better ideas, not rushed compromises. You can use Vision for free on InVideo. But if you're serious about video creation and want access to the other 60+ models with higher creative limits, I honestly recommend the generative plan, which starts at $100 per month. That's the plan I use. It gives you enough credits to create multiple videos without constantly worrying about limits. This is not a promotion. It's a recommendation from experience. Vision isn't about generating images. It's about finally showing others what you already see in your head. One sentence, 9 shots, your entire story. Try InVideo Vision and let your ideas finally leave your head.